Hi, Rob the Frugalist here. You've possibly seen one of my other videos on how to make coffee logs, which uses sawdust and leftover coffee grounds. What if you don't have those though? Today I'm going to show you how to create just paper briquettes. Right, so there's not the best things to burn. However, when needs must, right, and you want to create something, this is your only source of heat. We're going to look at how to create these. So hopefully you'll find this helpful and let me know what you think. Ever wanted to make paper briquettes and need to heat your home? I'm Rob the Frugalist and I'm going to show you how. Start off firstly with some shredded paper. This is about 4 or 5 loads of paper, all shredded, ready to go. Have a bucket ready, and we can also use this. This is a press which I've made myself. You can make one yourself, and I'll have a video of that ready as well, probably up here. And we're ready to go. You've got your shredded paper. First thing to do is soak it for about an hour. Okay, it's been soaking for about an hour, a bit longer than an hour now. We're going to mix it up using this paddle mixer attached to a drill. Quite simple. Here we go. And you can see they're really it's all sticking together. Crikey. So these all hold solid nicely. Okay, so we've got our mix ready to go. This is our press. So this is basically a tube, something the tube slots into. We'll put this in here to stop muck going everywhere. And we'll use this as scoop to start us off. You can see it's already draining away nicely. And this will go down the middle. I'm putting all the weight on. There we go. And then follow me over here. And hey presto, our first log. That's a nice little tiddler. Next we'll do a bigger one. Now at the end of each of these you want to drain that water off. Okay, that's in place. Ta-da! So there you go. These will take a few weeks to dry out, so they'll be ready to burn in a few weeks. Have you noticed how they compress? Okay, quick moisture check. Stick these prongs in here and you will see, well, it's upside down, isn't it? 11% when I stick it right in there. Check this one as well. Yeah, 11% moisture. Bone dry. Bone dry. Well, let's test the dog's toy bone. Let's see how that gets along. That is bone dry, isn't it? Yeah, 9%. So nearly bone dry. Right, so we've got our paper briquettes here. And we'll see how long they burn for. I'm guessing maybe 20 minutes, but we'll find out. But they'll provide heat, that's the idea. So one over there, one over here, and let's see how they burn. Let's see how they're going. And you can see they're burning happily, merrily away there. It's been going for about 3 minutes. Already caught, already going black. We'll see how long that lasts for. The air, I've taken off the air now, so it's not on turbo or whatever it is. It's on normal air intake. Okay, 20 minutes in, still there, still going. I'll give it a quick poke just to see if it's not just ash. Oh no. Still some decent structural integrity there. Okay, let's have a little look. They're still flaming. Yeah, that's going after, it's over half an hour now, so probably 35 minutes still going. So actually these are pretty good. They've gone a lot further than I thought. I think it's because I've compressed them well enough. And actually when I did that compression, it went to a tiny amount of its size. So you need an awful lot of paper to get these briquettes this size. But there you go, still going after 35 minutes. And checking. Right, this has been going for nearly an hour, 50 minutes, and it's beginning to break up now a little bit. So they actually cooked a lot better. It actually burned a lot better than I thought. So, especially as there's no sawdust in it. So there we go. Pretty good source of fuel there. Actually, surprisingly a bit better than you'd imagine. So I thought those paper briquettes would last only about 20 minutes. They actually went on pretty much up to an hour. Probably not as much as the sawdust and the coffee logs. But to be fair, I thought it would only last about 20 minutes and it took a lot longer. So I'd say that's a pretty good win. So if you've only got paper, obviously try and avoid the glossy stuff because that will send all sorts of stuff up your chimney. But if you've got plain white paper, then and you're cold, it's better than nothing, and well worth a go. So hopefully that will help someone, and stay tuned for more things. I think the next thing I'm going to bring out is how to light a fire, whether it's bottom up or top down. We're going to compare those two. So we'll see how that one goes in the next few days. Have a good one.